Okay, in this video I'm going to review how to convert a quadratic function from standard form to vertex form. So this is a standard form quadratic function. It has the x squared in it. And vertex form of a quadratic function looks like this. We typically use h and k in the formula and then an a out front at the beginning. And so if you're asked to convert from the original form to this second form, vertex form, one method is completing the square, and I find that to be the more abstract way to do it. So there's actually a very concrete way to do it if you know how to find the vertex of a quadratic function. So to find the vertex of a quadratic function, you can use the formula x equals negative b over 2a. This gives you the x value of the vertex. Vertex is where a quadratic function sort of turns around. So if you imagine that it's a parabola, U shape, there's a point where the function turns around. That's the point we're finding. So when we do x equals negative b over 2a, negative b here means that we have to make a negative 8. 2a is 2 multiplied by the a value of the original function there, which is 1. And so when I evaluate this, negative 8 is positive 8, divided by 2 is 4. That tells me that the x value of my vertex is 4. So now I know my vertex is located at 4, comma, something. And in order to figure out the y value that goes with that, I just have to plug 4 into the function. So I'm going to plug the number 4 into the function, which is going to look like this. F of 4 equals 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 10. 4 squared is 16 minus 8 times 4, which is 32, plus 10. 16 times 32 is, 16 minus 32 is negative 16, plus 10 is negative 6. And that tells me that my vertex is located at 4, negative 6. Well, this is h and this is k in the vertex form of the quadratic function. So I'm ready to go back to this, which is what it was asking me to do, and fill it in with the h and k that I just found. So to write this function in vertex form, we'll have f of x equals some a value, x minus 4, because the function itself, or the formula itself, has a minus in it. Our h value is positive, so it looks like a minus 4, quantity squared, plus k. In this case, our k value is negative 6, so we can write that as a minus 6. And the only thing that remains to find out is what a is. Well, the nice thing about standard form and vertex form is that they have the same a value. So if the standard form has a 1 in front of your x squared, then your vertex form equation also has a 1 as the a value. And so the final result for writing this function in vertex form is f of x equals x minus 4 squared minus 6. And that is all.